Why fermented foods are important for your gut. 24. Introduction. Fermented foods are having a renaissance, and for good reason. These ancient dietary staples are not only delicious additions to your meals, but potent allies for a thriving gut microbiome, the cornerstone of overall well-being. Let's explore why you should be embracing fermented foods in 2024. What are fermented foods? Fermentation is a natural process where microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, and molds break down the sugars in food. This creates acids and alcohols, giving fermented foods their characteristic tanginess and acting as a natural preservative. Examples include 1. Yogurt and kefir, fermented dairy. 2. Sauerkraut and kimchi, fermented vegetables. Kombucha, fermented tea. 4. Miso and tempeh, fermented soybeans. How fermented foods boost gut health. Fountain of probiotics, fermented foods are teeming with live beneficial bacteria called probiotics. These microbes enhance your gut flora, promoting digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Prebiotic power. Some fermented foods contain prebiotics, non-digestible fibers that nourish the good bacteria in your gut. It's a win-win for your internal ecosystem. Improved digestion. The beneficial bacteria in fermented foods help break down complex nutrients, easing digestion, reducing bloating, and promoting regularity. Enhanced nutrient absorption. Fermentation can increase the bioavailability of certain vitamins and minerals, allowing your body to absorb them more readily. Beyond the gut, other benefits. 1. Stronger immunity. A healthy gut microbiome translates to a more robust immune system. 2. Reduced inflammation. Research suggests fermented foods could have anti-inflammatory effects. 3. Potential weight management support. Studies hint at a link between gut flora and weight management. How to incorporate fermented foods. 2024 trends. 1. Start small. Introduce a tablespoon or two of fermented foods daily and gradually increase. 2. Get creative. Add kimchi to your tacos, top salads with sauerkraut, or swap soda for kombucha. 3. DIY. Try making your own yogurt, sauerkraut, or other ferments at home. Important note: if you have a compromised immune system or any health concerns, consult a healthcare professional before significantly increasing your intake of fermented foods. Conclusion: embracing fermented foods isn't just a fad, it's a wise investment in your long-term health. In 2024, let these flavorful, probiotic-rich foods revolutionize your gut and overall well-being.